What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today is all about this thing. Why are you so dirty?
Because I have been working on this animal right here.
Are you having so much fun?
Yeah, we can say that.
All right, so what's in it for today?
Okay, so we're going to be replacing, this is the first wave of parts that we are going to be replacing. We're going to be replacing the AC compressor, and we're going to be replacing everything in the AC system so we can get AC, because this Jeep currently doesn't have AC for some reason, so we have to start replacing things until we get it working again. Then we're going to be replacing the alternator. As you can see, that one is a little old. And we're also going to be replacing the starter. I have been cleaning this engine bay. You couldn't see, like 5 minutes ago, you couldn't see any of these.
Well, yeah, it looked like what that looks like.
Yep. So I have been cleaning and cleaning and cleaning. So now it's time to start working. Of course, I took the AC condenser off and the radiator, because we're going to be replacing those as well in another video. But I want to have all the space here. And in the next video, we're going to be replacing everything related to the brakes, the master cylinder, brake booster, and we're going to be making this thing as new as possible.
And I know a bunch of you are going to ask, Luna, what parts are you going with? So we're going to show you in a second. We're going with none other than A Premium. You guys know that we've done content for them before in the past, and we've never been disappointed with their parts. So we're going with their AC compressor, their alternator, and their starter. One of our favorite things about A Premium is it's super easy to source. It's just a simple website. You go online, you input all of your car's information, and then it's going to give you literally thousands of options, literally from brakes to AC compressors to master cylinders. You need it, they got it. Check them out, guys. And also, we're going to have a little discount code for you guys. And to be honest, I've been dreading coming out here because Marlon really makes a mess. I don't think it's necessarily his fault. I think it just is part of the situation. But what the heck is that? That doesn't look like that should be that color anywhere. Because a bunch of you said that these are super dangerous, we had 4 of them on the rig. We still have 1 here. I was on Amazon the other day and I got 4 of these bad boys, which sucked. It was like $400 or $500 for all 4, and I think like $100 in shipping. But at least Marlon's going to be protected now, more so. These are definitely meant for this application versus these. Look at that, 10 ton each. XJ project is well on the way. We are waiting for a ton of things. I think a lot of manufacturers right now are feeling it as far as getting steel and aluminum. So we have been on hold. I have some stuff on order since November of 2025. I have stuff since January of 2026. And well, we're still waiting. So this mysteriously sketchy colored liquid. So the previous owner, I guess, we think used water instead of coolant in the radiator, and instead of eventually fixing that, left it just fixing as in flushing. Yes, Marlon's like in the background saying, say it right, or people are gonna kill you in the comments. Whatever, creates engagement. That being said, water is not like a forever kind of thing. It's like get you off the trail or get you back home, whatever the situation is, but you're supposed to flush it because water is corrosive. Exhibit B, because that was Exhibit A. Exhibit B, it looks like nacho cheese or something, but that's not supposed to look like that. So now we have to change, what is it called?
That's the thermostat housing, but if that's like that, we also have to replace everything in the cooling system. We're talking about water pump, hoses, and everything, because everything is like that.
At least I know where we're gonna need the parts, where we can get them. A Premium.
Yep.
The joys of working on older vehicles that you've had secondhand, or just project vehicles in general. So this is our first attempt at working on an older vehicle. So this is going to be a huge learning experience, but let's get to it. And by let's, I mean Marlon. Start changing, babe. Couple of bolts removed later, and
yeah, it should come off. Should be as easy as that.
Oh, that wasn't so bad.
I don't know what the
Suspicious.
heck is this.
Maybe we should chat GPT that.
No, I don't think this is supposed to be here. I think this is something...
Jerry-rigged?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. That means that potentially we could go through all this and then the AC still doesn't work.
Then we have to take it to a professional because I'm not a professional in this.
But we do kind of want AC, right?
Oh yes, we want AC. Let me cut this cable.
That looks... Huh. Ignore the mess. Ignore this mess, because my Jeep typically lives here. But look at Marlon's. This is when his ADD, ADHD happens. It's only like once a year. But it's looking pretty good on this side of the garage. He's very excited about his bolt bin situation.
What about my tools? Look at my tool bin. Like...
Oh yeah, brought to you by TikTok. Where are all these tools from?
I have been collecting these little by little.
I like all the different colors.
Yeah.
Makes it easy to see.
Whenever I said that I need a new tool, that, you know why?
So the joy of an old car, that is completely stripped out, that bolt right there, and Marlon tried a bunch of different things. I think we're just gonna quit while we're ahead. He was trying to remove this bracket so that he could clean this up. Well, this bracket so that he could clean this up, but that's clearly not happening right now. So onwards, let's work on things that we can actually fix. So alternator is going to leave the chat here. Do you think that's the stock one? Or that can't be the stock one. That has to be probably
Doubt it,
aftermarket.
you never know.
Well, it's about to be refreshed.
I was able to remove this bracket and also this one, and we're going to clean it. But look at this grind, guys. Like, this is years and years and years of oil and dirt. And basically I want to clean it. We're going to be using the ultrasonic cleaner.
Ta-da!
And that's going to take us like half an hour. And just look at this now, because at the end you're going to see a big difference.
Are we gonna paint it?
No, this is like aluminum, I think. I mean, we can paint it aluminum, like aluminum color, like silver.
With the Seymour paint?
Yeah, I guess we can do that too. Let's do it.
Just to freshen it up. So because this is our 10th year, and really not my 10th year, but Marlon's 10th year of doing this, of doing YouTube, of filming stuff, of getting dirty, we've kind of learned a thing or two. We've found products that work for us, and this is one of them. Honestly, and enter shameless plug here, the Grip Clean wipes are a game changer.
But look at this. Look at all that nastiness. And this is going to take a while to clean, because this is like years and years of... Look at this. It's already coming off, but...
4 hours later. I'll take a second here from our regularly programmed video to talk about Onyx Off-Road, guys. While our friends are out at the Matt's Off-Road Games 2026, we are here working on the Cherokee, but it doesn't mean the fun ends there. If we get done quickly, we're going to head out to the mountain. They have this all mapped out for the Off-Road Games. This event is so much fun, and if you want to explore the rest of Sand Hollow, it is beautifully mapped thanks to Onyx Off-Road, guys. It has so many trails you can see there. This is a big reason why we moved here. So much to do, so many trails to do. Guys, what are you waiting for? If you don't already have Onyx, make sure you download it today.
So look at this, guys. This is all in the steering, like in the cooling system.
Is that supposed to be there, or you should put that in there?
That's because someone... Oh, do you mean the spring?
Yeah.
Yeah, that comes like that. You take a look at
All
this.
that rust?
Yeah. All the rust is all inside the cooling system. Everything, like all of this.
Oh, so it's cooked.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we know why we don't have AC.
Yep.
All right, so Marlon got this off, and look, it's completely just full of debris. So literally nothing was coming through that. Debris, rust, it's a situation going on there. And dun 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 dun, the brand new and very shiny, what is that? AC compressor from A Premium. Look at that. And it brings the plug, so we could get rid of that sketchy plug that the bootleg previous AC compressor had. New day, new problem. So Marlon got this really cleaned up, really, really nicely. It looks as new as it's gonna be. And something happened with the pulley here. I guess it got banged up, but it ended up touching this thing, which is a what?
That's the timing chain cover.
What he said. And that would have been fine, but Exhibit A, that crack, not so fine. And I was like, oh, Marlon, just JB weld it. But he said you can't. So we're going to have to go to the auto parts store for that. So the thing that was cracked, we needed to replace it because Marlon refused to JB weld it. And that looks really scary. Are you going to clean that?
Yep.
Yikes. All right, well, the key is to remember what it looked like before you take it apart and don't lose any of the bolts. This is the new timing change cover and a gasket.
Yep.
Much better.
If you take a look at this one, there's no gasket on this one. So, yep, that's why it was leaking and it was making, and I bet this gasket is also like cooked.
Oh yeah. 1999, so it's how old?
Old.
25 years old?
Yeah.
Wait, if 25 is old, what am I?
You're old too.
Marlon's in heaven now after that comment. What? What are you holding in your hand?
This is broken.
What is that?
This is a timing chain guide.
Oh, God.
This is the other part.
Just put it back together and let's light the whole thing on fire. Why are you laughing? You're enjoying this.
Yeah.
How does the saying go? Every 10-minute job or every 30-minute job is one broken something away from a 3-day ordeal. I think we're like in day 7 of this situation. Basically, the entire day has elapsed. It's getting dark, and Marlon's made quite a bit of progress. Things are looking a lot shinier, a lot newer. So new alternator, that is a huge difference. So that is the A Premium alternator or / alternator from A Premium. Do you remember what that looked like? That was disgusting. Did you end up painting it or just cleaning it?
I powder coated and then I painted with the.
You didn't powder coat it. You sandblasted.
Sandblasted. And then use the Seymour Paint. And guys, this works. This is how this
literally makes it look brand new.
Yeah, brand new. I think I'm going to have to get new bolts for this because I don't want it to look like that. I'm going the extra mile to make it look good.
You painted this too, right? That
Yep.
looks brand new.
Yep.
And that was also with Seymour Paint.
Yep. The black paint from Seymour.
I feel like 3 days, it's taken 3 days to change 3 parts out. Not because the parts are difficult to install, only because we've run into literally every problem under the sun the moment he tries to remove the old part to put the new one back in. At least this looks promising. We have brand new alternator, brand new AC compressor. And this has been refreshed, sandblasted, painted, and refreshed. Look at that, looking super shiny. This is no longer cracked. The timing something. What is it?
The timing chain cover.
Literally, I had 1 out of the 3 words correct. This, looking good. What is that?
Thermostat housing.
That, what he said. Ouch.
Next up, and final part for today's video, this starter.
All right, hopefully this will be pretty straightforward.
It is, but you haven't seen what's underneath.
Yikes. So you guys are gonna ask me, okay, A Premium, what is it about? So for the starter, it is 100% performance tested, 100% new premium components, and it meets or exceeds OEM specifications. And so this is included in your starter. You can see whatever that means. It did get a pass, which is good, but this is above my pay grade. The best part, I want to see how shiny.
It is shiny. Compare these to these.
Oh, yuck. I didn't even know that was the starter.
Yeah, you can even see it.
Yikes. What's the game plan here? I'm like scared to touch anything. Everything's gross.
Yeah.
You're trying to remove the plug?
Yeah, but I don't know. That looks like a safety plug, but I don't want to break it because everything here is so old and so like that I'm cleaning it first. So then I could just go ahead and remove it.
So out with the old, and the new starter is about to go in. Marlon did a fantastic job just cleaning up that area. I mean, you missed a couple spots, but for the most part, it's looking a lot better. All right, say goodbye to that. This new baby, oh my, that's so heavy, is gonna find its new home.
Installing this. This is basically straightforward. Really easy to install.
I don't think you're supposed to just let it hang out there.
It's hanging around. Yeah, the hose is pretty big, so should be fine.
I hope the Jeep starts up again eventually. Oh no.
That's the install. That easy.
I'll probably fast forward this so that people don't have to watch the whole 1 minute 36 seconds.
2 bolts and connecting the
line.
cables.
Much easier than my Jeep.
Oh yeah.
This has been a true definition of a week-long project. Could Marlon have done it all in one day? Absolutely, but you know, our have to be done by date is gonna be Trail Hero, so he's taking it slow. We're also prepping the other vehicles, getting ready for EJS. So that was 3 installs right there, guys. Marlon, you're gonna have to remind me. It was the starter, it was the AC compressor, and then it was the alternator. So boom, 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 1, 2, 3, and we still have a huge parts order list that we're gonna order from A Premium, guys. So if you have any questions, put them in the comments below. Again, make sure you use our discount code if you want to save money on the A Premium website. Like always, guys, big thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Share it with your friends and family, and we'll see you next time. Bye.